All right, so here's lessons 2 homework. So we have Henry brought 4 pies, which he plans to share with a group of his friends. There's exactly enough to give each member of the group 1/6 of the pie. How many people are in the group? Well, the first thing I noticed is I would have 4 pies. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I am sharing so that each person would get a 1/6. So this is what my brain's telling me. Now I can do a model this way, or I can use those tape diagrams that I've been working on since we're going to be using them more often. So this word share means that I'm going to be dividing it. I'm breaking it up. So here I would have 4 pies. And what am I doing? Well, here's 1 pie. Here's 2 pies, and here's 3 pies. And I'm breaking each of these pies up into a 1/6. So let me change markers. So here I would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or I can do it my horizontal breakup, where I would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know it's not to scale, so that's my fault, class. So I'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. And remember, this whole thing was 1 pie. So now what does this mean? Well, let's look, and it says each person gets a 1/6 of a pie. So how many people are in the group? Well, I would have 1 piece, 2 pieces. So I have an array of 4 times 6. So there would be 24 pieces, which means there are 24 people in the group. All right, let's look at this next one. Rachel finished 3/4 of the race, and actually let me label that too, 24 people. Rachel finished 3/4 of the race in 6 hours. How long was the entire race? Well, here I see 3/4 and I see 6 hours. And it's looking for how long was the entire race. So I'm going to start with my model of 3/4. 1, 2, 3. And it's telling me that this is how much she has run. So she's run 1, 2, 3. Oops. And let's head on back. And so this 3/4 is equal to some number. Well, it says that in 3/4 of the race took her 6 hours. So now what do? Well, I'm going from something large, this 3/4, which is equal to 6, down to small equal groups. So that would be 6 divided by 2, which would show me each group, oops, I gave you the answer, 6 divided by 3, which shows me each one is equal to 2. So now I would have each box is 2, which means the whole race is 8. Now if I wanted to check using my CPR, my copy, poof, reciprocate, this is what I would do. For number 1, I would have 4, so that's my copy, because my equation was 4 broken up into 6. My next part is poof, so I change that division to multiplication. My last part is reciprocate. Remember, reciprocate is the reverse, where I flip that fraction around. So 6/1. So now what do? Well, 4 times 6 equals 24. And 1 times nothing, I'm sorry, 1 times that invisible 1, not nothing, is equal to over 1, which means I would have 24. And look, my answer matches the model. Down here, let's check this as well. Well, here I have 6 hours divided by 3/4. So let's check. This would be a copy, poof, reciprocate. So now what do? 6 times 4 is 24, divided by 3, because 1 times 3 is 3. And then 24 divided by 3 is 8. And look, my answers match. All right, that's it. Hope you had fun.